Hi, I'm Randall, and today I'm gonna go over a little Easter basket gift. So you can make these little things just out of scrap wood in your shop here, and just trace a little silhouette of the rabbit. I got mine off of a chocolate rabbit box. I cut him out, traced him on a piece of wood, and then cut all 4 pieces out at once. Maybe you got a little more artistic ability than I do, and you can do it freehand. I don't know, but since I'm going to be making 2 baskets, I need 4 of these. Now that they're all screwed together, I can take them over to the bandsaw. And now we got 4 bunny silhouettes. So now it's going to be time for the slats. There it is. I'm just going to take a Forester bit . Another good thing about a small workshop, everything's within a step. There you go.